Hello students, in the previous class we finished module 1 number system and indices. Today we are going to start module 2 commercial mathematics. Module 2 is divided in 4 parts: interest, annuities, ratio and proportion, time and work. Let's start with the first part, which is interest. Interest we have already studied in school. We'll just revise what we have studied. There are two types of interest. One is simple interest and one is compound interest. Simple interest is an interest which is earned on the principal amount only, and compound interest is interest which earns interest on principal as well as you earn interest on interest, right? So the formula for simple interest is simple interest is equal to P, which is principal, into R, which is rate of interest, into T, which is period or term. Okay, so simple interest is principal into rate of interest into term T, time. Compound interest, the formula for compound interest is P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to T minus P. Okay. So what is principal, what is amount, what is term, what is rate of interest? So suppose I borrowed 10,000 from you and I am supposed to return it after 3 years. I borrowed 10,000 from you. I am supposed to return you after 3 years. If I return only 10,000 after 3 years, it won't be fair, because you have lost the opportunity of earning some other money, right? If instead of giving 10,000 to me, if you would have invested 10,000 somewhere, you would have earned some income out of 10,000, right? So the amount, this 10,000 is principal. 3 years is the term or time, okay, or period. And suppose the rate of interest is 10%. 10% means after every year I have to pay, for 1 year I have to pay 10% interest, 10% per annum. Okay, so for the yearly interest is 10%. So whenever I am returning the money, I have to return with interest. Okay, so this 10% is my R, because my rate of interest. Okay, the amount which I'll be returning after 10 years, okay, which is principal plus interest, that is called as amount. Okay, so the difference between simple interest and compound interest is, in simple interest you earn interest on the principal amount, and in compound interest you earn interest on interest. Okay, so suppose year 1, okay, year 1 I have borrowed 10,000. okay, at the end of year 1 my interest is 10% on 10,000, so which is 1,000. okay, so this is first year interest. Okay, now this amount has become 11,000. okay, second year my interest amount would be same, 1,000 only. okay, so principal amount is 10,000. 10,000 into 10%, which is 1,000. okay, now this has become 12,000. Third year interest earned will be again 1,000. okay, how I'm this 1000 is principal into 10%. Okay, so this amount has become 13,000. Now 13,000 I have to repay after 3 years. Okay, first year interest is 1000, second year interest is 1000, third year interest is also 1000. Okay, so in simple interest, the interest is same every year. In simple interest, the interest is same every year. Okay, instead of doing like this, I could have used this formula, that is simple interest into P into R into T, or P into T into R. Simple interest is equal to P into T into R. Okay, so my principal amount is 10,000 because I have borrowed 10,000 for 3 years. So term is 3 years into rate of interest. Rate of interest is 10%. So 10 upon 100. Okay, 0, 0 cut, 0, 0 cut. So this 1000 into 3, so 3000. So 3000 is the simple interest for 3 years. Okay. So principal amount is 10,000, interest is 3000. So I have to return 10,000 plus 3000, which is 13,000. Okay. So amount is principal plus interest, which is 10,000 plus 3,000. So 13,000 I have to return. This is called as 13,000 is the amount. Okay, the amount which I borrowed, that is called as principal. This is 10,000, and simple interest we have calculated 3,000. Right now, when it comes to compound interest, you earn interest on interest. Okay, so year 1 you borrowed 10,000. Interest will be 10,000 into 10%, which is 1,000. Okay, now this has become 11,000. Okay, year 2 my interest will not be on the principal amount, it will be on principal plus interest, which is 11,000. So 11,000 into 10%, so which comes to 1,100. So second year the interest is 1,100 and not 1,000. Okay, so in the second year, now it is that 10,000 has become 12,100. Third year interest will be on 12,100. Okay, so 12,100 into 10% comes to 1,210. Okay, so now I have to repay after 3 years. I have to repay 13310. Okay, so 13310 is the amount, that is principal plus interest. Now in this case we are earning interest on interest. So every year the interest amount is different. In case of compound interest, first year interest was 1,000, second year interest is 1,100, third year interest is 1,210, because in this case you are earning interest on interest. Okay, so interest here is 1,000 plus 1,100 plus 1,210, which comes to 3,310. So compound interest is 3,310 and simple interest was 3,000. Right? So let's use the formula and calculate. So compound interest formula is P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to T minus P. So P is 10,000, 1 plus R 10%, 10 upon 100 raised to t. T is time, so that is 3 years, minus p. P is 10,000. Okay, I don't have space here. Minus 10,000. Okay. So 10,000 into 1 plus 0.10 raised to 3 minus 10,000. So 10,000 into 1.1 raised to 3 minus 10,000. 1.1 raised to 3. So 1.1 into is equal to, this is square, is equal to, this is cube. Okay, so 1.331. okay, so 10,000 into 1.331 minus 10,000. So let's do this. Into 10,000, which is 13,310, minus 10,000. 13,310 minus 10,000, which is 3310. So 3310 is compound interest. Okay. In case of compound interest, A formula is amount for the amount, the formula is P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to T. This is the formula for amount, and amount is principal plus interest. In this case, compound interest. Okay. Okay. To find out, okay, we'll see that later. To find out R and T, there is a different formula in which you need to use log table. Okay, so we will do later. Okay, so this is the difference between simple interest and compound interest, and I am sure you all already knew it because you have already studied in your school. Correct? Let's solve few problems of simple interest today, and that's it for the day. Okay, so let's see the first question. Find the simple interest on rupees 1,500 at 6% per annum for 10 years. Okay, first let us write what all is given. Okay, find the simple interest on rupees 1,500. That means the principal amount is 1,500. Rate of interest is 6% per annum, and period is 10 years. So simple interest formula, P into R into T. P is 1,500 into R, 6%, so which is 6 upon 100 into T, that is 10 years. Okay, so 0, 0 you can cut, 0, 0 you can cut. So 150 into 6. 150 into 6 is 900. Let's see. 150 into 6, 900. So 900. Simple interest is rupees 900. What is asked? Find the simple interest. Simple interest is rupees 900. Okay, suppose in the question if amount was asked, so you would have done the same thing till here, and then amount is equal to principal plus simple interest, which is 1500 plus 900, which is 2400, right? Rupees 2400 in case amount was asked then. Okay, now you don't need to do this, only simple interest is asked, so you will do only till here. Okay, now let's see the next problem. Calculate simple interest on 1,35,600 at 7.5% from August 3rd to November 15. Now you have to count number of days, August 3rd to November 15. Okay, you must know how many days are there in each month. Okay, so August has 31 days, September has 30 days, October has 31 days, November has 30 days. Okay, now from August 3, so from August 3 to August 4 is day 1. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so 3 days are gone, right? So 31 minus 3 is 28 days of August, 30 days of September, 31 days of October, and 15 days of November. Okay, so how much this comes to? 28 plus 30 plus 31 plus 15. 28 plus 30 plus 31 plus 15, which is 104 days. Okay, so simple interest from August 3rd to November 15 is 104 days. Okay, so August there are 31 days, it's from 3rd August, so 3 days gone. So from 31 minus 3, 28 days. September there are 30 days, October there are 31 days, November till November 15, so 15 days. Okay, so 104 days. Calculate simple interest on 1,35,600 at 7.5% from August 3rd to November 15. So here principal is 1,35,600. Rate of interest is 7.5%, that is 7.5%. 7.5%, and term is 104 days. Okay, in a year there are 365 days, you need that. Okay, in a year there are 365 days. Okay, so simple interest, because it is in days, okay, simple interest is equal to P into R into T, same formula. Okay, P is principal, which is 1,35,600. R is 7.5%, so 7.5 divided by 100, and T is 104 days, so 104 divided by 365. Okay, so whenever the term is in days or months, you have to do divide by number of days in a year or divide by number of months in a year. Okay, if the term is in days, okay, you will do divide by 365. If the term is given 3 months, so what you will do, divide by 12. Okay, you are converting days in year. Okay, so when you calculate this, let's calculate. 1,35,000 into 7.5% into 104 divided by 365. It comes to, we can keep two decimals, 2884.93. Okay, 2884.93. So simple interest is 2884.93. Okay, sorry. 1,35,000 I did, no? Instead of 35,600. Okay, sorry. 1,35,600 it is. 35,600. 35,600. Okay, it comes to 2897.75. 1,35,600 into 7.5% into 104 divided by 365. So it comes to 2897.75. To 897.75. Okay, let's see the next question. Rohan deposited rupees 25,500 in a bank which pays 11% interest per year. We are solving questions of simple interest. Okay, so simple interest is 11.5%, 11% per year. It's a simple interest problem per year. Find, in this exam it will be clearly given it is simple interest or compound interest. Find the interest and amount he is expected to get after 6 years and 4 months. Okay, so now here principal is given as 25,500. Okay, rate of interest is 11%. Term is 6 years and 4 months. Let's convert 6 years into months only. Okay, so 6 years means 6 into 12, 72 months. 6 years is 72 months and 4 months. 72 plus 4 is 76 months. Okay, so principal is 25,500, rate of interest is 11%, term is 76 months. Let's calculate. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T. Okay, P is 25,500, R is 11%, so 11 upon 100 into T. T is 76 months, so 76 divided by 12 because it is in the form of months, so divide by 12 because in a year there are 12 months. Okay, let's calculate this. 25,500 into 11% into 76 divided by 12. That comes to 17,765. So the simple interest is 17,765, but in the question the amount is asked, not simple interest, right? Rohan deposited find the interest. Okay, simple interest we have found, and amount he is expected, to get after 6 years and 4 months. Okay, so amount is principal plus simple interest, which is 25,500 plus 17,765. $25,500 plus 17,765. $43,265. 43,265. Okay, let's solve the next problem. What principal will amount to 32,508 in 12 years at 10% per annum? So principal is not given, you have to find out the principal. Okay, amount is given 32,508, period term is 12 years, and rate of interest is 10%. Okay, so we'll use simple interest formula and we'll find out. Okay, this amount is principal plus simple interest, right? Okay, now simple interest is equal to P into R into T. Yeah. Simple interest we don't know, principal also we don't know, but we know the amount, and amount is principal plus simple interest. Okay. Here we have to use actually a different formula. Okay. Yeah, we can't use this formula. We have to use a different formula. So there's one more formula for simple interest, which is principal is equal to amount divided by 1 plus TR. Okay, so suppose if you don't know the principal and you don't know simple interest also. Okay, simple interest also you don't know, principal also you don't know, then and you know the amount, then in this case you have to use this formula. Principal is equal to amount divided by 1 plus TR. Okay, so principal we don't know, amount is 32,508 divided by 1 plus 12 into R. R is 10 upon 100, right? So 10 upon 100 can be written as 0.10. Okay, so into 0.10, which is 32,508 divided by 1 plus 12 into 0.1. 12 into 0.1, which is 1.2. 1.2. So 32,508 divided by 2.2. 32508 divide by 2.2. 14,776.36. Principal is asked and you have found the principal. Okay, what is the principal? What principal will amount to? When amount is given, term is given, rate is given. If amount is given, you don't know the principal and you don't know the simple interest, then this formula you will reuse. Okay, principal is equal to amount divided by 1 plus TR. Okay, put a star mark for this formula. Okay. Now let's see the next formula. How much Rekha should deposit now to earn 729 interest in 9 years at 9% per annum? Okay. Now in this case, you know simple interest. Simple interest is 729. Okay. You know the principal you don't know, and principal you are supposed to find. Okay. Period is 9 years and R is given as 9% per annum. So here you can use the old formula only. Simple interest is equal to P into T into R. Okay. So 729 is equal to principal you don't know into T, which is 9 years, into R, which is 9 upon 100. So P is equal to 729 into 100 divided by 9 into 9. Let's solve this. 729 into 100 divided by 9, which is 900. Rupees 900. Okay, 9 into 9 is 81. So you can do 729 into 100 divided by 81. Okay, which is rupees 900. Okay. Let's solve the next question. Ravi borrowed rupees 90,500 from a bank. After 7 years and 6 months, he had to pay a lump sum of rupees 171950 to the bank. Find the rate of interest. Okay. So principal is given 90500. Amount is given as 171950. So simple interest is amount minus principal, which is 171950 minus 9500. One 1,71950 minus 9,500. 81,450. 81,450. Okay. Period, that is T. T is given 7 years 6 months. 7 years and 6 months. 7 years is 7 into 12. 7 into 12. 7 into 12, which is 84. 84 plus 6. 90 months. Which is 90 months. So term is 90 months. Okay. And you are supposed to find R. Okay. So simple interest is equal to P into T into R. Simple interest is 81,450. Principal 90,500. Time is 90 months because it is in months, so 90 divided by 12 into R. R we don't know. So something R upon 100. Whatever is the rate upon 100. Okay. So we'll keep R in the one side. Other things will take to the other side. So division will become multiplication and multiplication will become division. So 81450 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 100 divided by 90500 divided by 90. Okay, let's calculate this. So 0, 0 you can cancel. This 0 and this 0 also you can cancel. This 0 and this 0 you can cancel. So what is remaining? 8145 into 12 divided by 905 into 9. Okay, 8145 into 12. 8145 into 12. 97740. 97740 divided by 905 into 9. 905 into 9. 8145. 8145. Okay, now 97740 divided by 8145. It comes to 12. See, the denominator is 8145. Okay, so 8145, 8145 cancel, 12 is remaining. Right, so 12%. Anyway, because we have already multiplied. So 97740 divided by 8145. 97740 divided by 8145 is equal to 12. So R is equal to 12. So rate of interest is 12%. Okay. Instead of converting this into months, you could have also done 7.5 years. Okay. So instead of writing 90 by 12, you could have written 7.5 also. It will not make any difference. Okay. The answer will be same. So that's it for today, students. Have a great day. Thank you very much.